Okay, let's start the game. This is the battle between AMW Sly and AFP Sly. First fight. Okay, first fight, pasok. Slow good pa rin. Rebound by number 13. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Number 43, no move. Rebound by number 14. Pass to number 31. Libre ulit. 2 points. No good for my foul. Foul number 3, first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throw by number 31. First throw basket. Number 8, pass to number 77, for 3, no good, rebound by number 25. Pass to number 3, to number 31. To number 10, for 3. 3 points by number 10. 6-0 ang ating score. Number 8, Clemente. Dribble the ball, pass to number 3, for 3. No good. Rebound by number 25. Number 31, saving the play. Pass to number 3. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 13. Pass break to number 2. Libre. 2 points. Ten seconds to shoot. Steal by number 3. Foul number 31. First personal foul. First team foul. Two free throws by number 3. First throw. No good. Second throw. Basket. Number 31, pass to number 3. Binalik sa number 31. 14 seconds to shoot. Sinalaksak. No good. Put back by number 31. Foul, number 13. Number 13, first personal foul, second team foul. Rebound by number 8. 0-2. No good. Timeout. Yes, up slide. Back to the ball game. Number 30. Pinasa sa kalaban. Back to back. Turnover. Same ball. White ball pala. Two points by number 14. Number 14. 3. Rebound by number 14. Number 14. Coast to coast. Layup. 2 points by number 14. Number 8. Dribbling the ball. Layup. No good. 11 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 14. Nice pass. 8 seconds to shoot. Change 5. Blue ball. Number 27, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 30. Number 30 to number 6. 2 points by number 69. Number 7 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 4. White ball. Number 30, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 17. Pull up, no good. Rebound by number 11. Number 11, nagmamadali. Blue ball, same ball. Number 11, shaping the play. Pass to number 7. Binalik sa number 11. Pull up. 2 points by number 11. Number 14, nagmamadali. Pinasilalim sa number 69. May sumabit. Foul number 42. First personal foul. Third team foul. Time remaining 3 minutes in the first quarter. First try, basket. Second try, basket ulit. 2 of 2. And number steal by number 4. Pass to number 27 to number 30. Nagmamadali, layup, no good. Rebound by number 11. Behind the back. Napitawan, nakuha niya ulit. Ginugulo. Pass to number 24. Malakas. Turnover. Number 30. Pass to number 27. No good. Rebound by number 6. Pass to number 42. Nilay up. No good. Rebound by number 4. Pass to number 27 to number 69. Nice pass. 2 points by number 69. Air ball. Number 30 to number 27. Pass to number 69. Nabitawan. Still by number 42. Foul number 69. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 42 to number 11. Fake. Pass to number 7. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Number 11. Pull up. 2 points by number 11. Number 17 to number 27. For 3. No good. Put back by number 69. No good. Rebound by number 17. No good pa rin. Third points by number 69. Okay, sub muna. Time remaining 44 seconds. Number 8, pass to number 24, ball up, 2 points by number 24. Kalahati ang kalamangan ng mga naka-white. 14 seconds to shoot, number 17, ball up, no good. Still by number 17. 10 seconds, 2 points by number 2. 5 seconds. 2 points by number 8. End of the first quarter. Back to the ball game for second quarter. Nice pass to number 8, 2 points by number 8. Number 7 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 13. Number 13, binababa ang bola. Pass to number 77. Binalik sa number 13 to number 3. Fake, 40. Steal by number 7. Pass to number 66. Dimerecha. No good. There may foul. Foul number 2. First personal foul, first team foul. First two, basket. Second try by number 66, basket. 2 of 2 by number 66. Number 3, sumalaksak. 2 points by number 3. Assist by number 13. Number 1. Pass to number 7 to number 66. Spinwood, layup, no good, pero may foul. Foul number 77. First personal foul, second team foul. By number 1. Number 1 layup, 2 points by number 1. Number 2, block by number 29. Ay, foul pala. Foul by number 29. First personal foul, first team foul. First two by number 3. Basket. Balik sa 10 ang kalabangan. No good, rebound by number 9. Blocked by number 13. Same ball. 12 seconds to shoot. Ten seconds to shoot. Number 66. Layup, no good. Rebound by number 13. Number 13, nagmamadali. Sumalaksak, no good. Rebound by number 29. Number 7, Kinalua. 2 points by number 7. Number 13, tumira na 3. No good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1, post to post, no good. Rebound by number 2. Pass to number 77. Pass break to number 3. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 7. Binalik sa number 9. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 66, perimeter shot, no good. Number 3, dribbling the ball, pass to number 13. Pull up, no good. Rebound by number 29. Number 9 to number 7. One pala. Low ball. Number 3, pass to number 2, turnover. Number 7, to number 29, to number 66. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 8, pass to number 13. Crossover, pass to number 3. Binalik sa number 8. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 66. Grabe. Tika na mag-dunk. 2 points by number 66. Foul number 66, first personal foul, second team foul. No good. The offensive rebound by number 3. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 66. Number 66, layup, no good. Rebound by number 9 to number 66. Kings 5. Foul number 2. Second personal foul. Third team foul. First throw basket. Basket, 2 of 2 by number 69. Ten seconds to shoot. Foul number 15, first personal foul, third team foul. Oops. Injury.
Sir Eric, hit. First hit.
Walang dala.
Nare-review. Tingala mo, tingala.
Sinamaan.
Kapit ako sir ng kamay.
First up muna.
May CR doon na sir, CR. Magilamos. Hindi pa yung close na yun.
Papalit sa na-injury pa, kailangan yung hindi pa nakakapaglaro, di ba?
Hindi.
Oo,
Ano naman
kahit
yun
sino.
eh.
Kahit
First
sino.
five yun sa first quarter, pwede.
Pwede siya.
Okay, back to the ball game. Number 3 pass to number 13. Binalik to number 3. 14 seconds to shoot. Nice move by number 3. 2 points. Number 13. Third drop. No good. Rebound by number 14. Pass to number 3. Crossover. Pass to number 14. Uy, two points by number 14. Fourteen to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 15. Pass to number 3. Layup. No good. Rebound by number 42. Pass to number 7. To number 11. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 7. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 11. No good pa rin. Uy, hindi nagkaintindihan. Turnover. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 11. Traveling violation, save fruit. Basket foul by number 14. Foul number 13. Second personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Number 42 fake layup, no good. Rebound by number 50. Pass to number 3. To number 14, libre. 2 points by number 14. Easy 2 points by number 14. Number 13, pull up. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 8. Number 8, binababa ang bola. Pass to number 14. Grabe. Number 14, back to back to back. 2 points. Number 7 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 42. Tumera ng 3. 3 points by number 42. Taylor Stick by number 3. Oh. 2 points by number 7. Number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Fourteen seconds. No good. Rebound by number 14. 2 points. 5 seconds. Back to the ball game, third quarter. Number 10 for 3 points for number 10. Assist by number 31. Number 3, leaving the ball. Pass to number 2, to number 8, for 3, babawi kaya, no good. Rebound by number 25. For number 6, 2 points by number 6. Number 77, intercept by number 31. Nakuha number 10, pass to number 25. Pass to number 3, wait lang daw, pinakasa ilalim, nice pass. 2 points by number 6. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 3, 2 to number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul number 6, first personal foul, first team foul. Side ball. Number 8 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 25, pass to number 31, libre. Easy 2 points by number 31. Number 2, leaving the ball, pass to number 3. To number 8, layup, 2 points by number 8. Nice assist by number 3. Number 41, pass to number 10, to number 25, 4-man game, no good. Rebound in number 10, 10 seconds to shoot. 3 points, no good. Blue ball.
Hindi, gagi.
Huwag
Hindi.
yan.
Okay lang yan.
Wala problema yan. Wala namang ginagawa dito. Okay lang yan. Kataon lang naman na wala ka talaga.
Dapat na rest mo dyan.
Wala lang naman.
Then ulit. 7.
Hindi ito. Kaya mag-un.
Tanggal ba?
Ito. Ayun yun.
Eh, tumulong.
Ano ito eh? Walang power. Sige, meron na. Tingnan mo.
Meron na dito.
Meron na. Tingnan mo.
Back to the ball game. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Number 25 ball up. Basket. Number 77. Dribbling the ball. Pinasa sa ilalim. Nakuha ni number 44 to number 3. Pinasa sa kalaban. Still by number 10. 2 points by number 31. Case 5. Number 10, third personal foul, third team foul. Second try, no good. Yung isa, labas muna.
Magkano lang katapos? Stop! Stop!
Two points by number 30. Steal by number 27. Pass to number 30. 2 points by number 30. Number 7. No good. Rebound me. Foul number 11. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 69 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 17, no good.
Nawala na naman to. Nawawala to. Matay oh. Tayo. Ayan, meron na. Meron dito. Wala yan. Battery. Ay, meron.
Okay na ba yan? Nag-pipig?
Oo, okay na. Ay, nakatay na lang. Lubat ito naman ang lubat.
Hindi.
Ito.
Penalty na.
Ha? Penalty na?
Penalty na.
Pindutin mo doon ang isa. Walang mic, walang mic.
Walang mic,
Walang
sir.
mic eh, walang mic.
Ano, patay. Paano na rin naman para sa fourth quarter. Dalawa na, 27. Dalawa na.
Time out. Ako na meron dito, meron pa rito. Ito na naman kanina, okay na eh. Ito na naman kanina. tayo.
Back to the ball game, fourth and final quarter. Number 1 pass to number 7, pull up, no good. Put back by number 9, 2 points. Steal by number 9, 7. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9 for 3. 3 points by number 9. Foul number 9. First personal foul, first team foul. 3 points by number 32. Number 3 pull up, 2 points by number 3. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 66 pull up, 2 points by number 66. Number 7 pass to number 77 to number 3. Nagmamadali, diniretso, layup, 2 points by number 3. Number 7, steal by number 7, pass to number 8, for 3, no good, rebound D. Number 9, pass to number 7, pinalik sa number 9, to number 7, number 1, to number 29, no good, rebound D. Number 3, tumira ng press. 14 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Foul number 29. First personal foul, second team foul. First to basket. Wait lang, pag na-shoot yung pangalawa. Sabrek. Number 7. Ten seconds to shoot. Same ball. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Number 42 nagmamadali. Crossover. Steal by number 1. Number 1. Foul. Sabrap. Foul number 77. Pasok, pasok. Sige, tawagin niyo po, pasok. Sabrap. Yung mag-play tanda. Number 13 for 3, no good. Blue ball. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 6. Pass to number 13. Layup, no good. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 11. Layup, binali-bali pa, wala. Rebound by number 3. Number 3, alley-oop. Turnover.
Nawala yung tuwalon.
Number 42 for 3, no ball. Number 13, pass to number 6. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 6. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Ball number 15. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Failed by number 3. Fourteen seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 8.
Marami pa. Isa. Wala lang pala.
10 seconds to shoot. 3 points for number 13. Time out. Back to the ball game. Fourteen seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 2 points by number 17. Rebound by number 66. Ten seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes.
Pinagsulit nila natin.
Number 7 for 3 points. Number 7 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 14. Last 1 minute. Number 7 for 3 points. Last 40 seconds. Two points by number 17. Last 18 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Defensive player number 13 ng Amslan.
Sino bang ano?
Best player of the game number 14, Amslan.
Di ba?
Ito siya.
Wala na, iba? Tatawagan? Okay na. 3 points, wala? 7? Bakit ano?
Number 7, Biray.
Anong ano niya? 3 points?
3-point shooter of the game.
Alright, tomorrow again.